Yeah, I've been wanting to cut my hair for a while, and I don't know what's been stopping me. I don't know. I overthink things, and I think myself out of doing things. Does that make sense? Bear with me. It's AM. It's Monday morning, my day off from work, and I'm just thinking if I don't do this now, I'm never gonna do it. So here I am. Here I am. Like, it's a mess. My room's a mess. My space is a mess because I haven't had a chance to clean because I've been working, and I've also been unwell. I feel like that's the story of my life. Every time I come back, I'm like, either I've just been busy or I'm sick. I sectioned my hair last night of how I want to cut it because I've been thinking about cutting my hair. I need a bit of a change around this area. So I'm gonna start at the back. I think I am gonna blow dry my hair a little bit just to get it to like the actual length, then I can see what I'm cutting. I was still like talking myself out of cutting my hair, and I woke up this morning just lying in bed and I was like, am I gonna do it? Am I gonna do it? And I just thought, just do it. Like, it will grow back. And out of all the hairstyles I've wanted to do, like, cutting my hair has been like always at the forefront of my mind. And I guess because it didn't take me such a long time to grow my hair to how it is, but like my hair is part of like how I express myself, because my hair is such a big deal to me, and I don't want to make it like I don't want to have it, I don't want it to have a hold on me. I want to have a hold on my hair, so I can choose to cut it, dye it, go bald, go waist length, or whatever I want to do. I think I'm thinking back to when I was in Ghana. Like, Ghana schools don't allow you to grow your hair, so my hair was always like, literally, you can see my scalp short. And I only started to grow it out after moving here. I can't figure out the mentality behind why I've been like prolonging cutting my hair. I've sectioned it, so I have one here, two, and then this is the part I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna have some length here, and like some more length on the top, and it's like short on the sides. Like a big chop. Yeah. Girl, I have to have a bit of like liquor for that kind of like energy. I have to have a bit of like encouragement, like wine or maybe like a shot. Exactly. That's why I know. No thanks. I need to like dip my feet.
Nah, you need to just cut the damn thing. That's what you need to do. Like, think about it too much.
You want me to cut this off?
Yes.
this is still too long. This is what I'm gonna be about. I think I did it. I think it looks pretty good. The shape, I mean.
Yeah. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did it. Back is really short. Oh my god, back is really short. This is the hair that I cut off. But I can't wait to like have it short and like style it. Have my little curls popping. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this kind of like unconventional kind of way of filming. Yeah, I did it. I cut my hair. And I don't know why I was so scared to cut it before, but it's cut now. And I'm very happy. I feel proud. I feel like a new woman. I feel like I can do whatever it is I want to do. So the next clip of me will be my hair washed and styled and I'll see you guys in a bit, basically. Peace. Macho man one cheat a day. I guess all I shake more cafe. Living on the mortgage. I can't check cafe no be it. Me I mean all this year run away. I am my life, say me galam say. My old day now be me.